Find or read reviews that people are talking for color purple of Hitgrand 30 ounces Tumbler heat press machine, Tumbler press for 30, 20, 16, 11 ounces straight sublimation blanks skinny tumbler. DIY cup mug heat press machine for skinny tumblers 110 volt. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Hitgrand 30 ounces Tumbler heat press machine. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Hitgrand 30 ounces Tumbler heat press machine. 11 to 30 ounces DIY mug cup heat transfer. Our next generation of tumbler presses has arrived. The extra long heating element gives you the ability to easily print any size skinny tumbler, including a 20 ounces or 30 ounces skinny tumbler. The digital control panel with colorful display is simple and the stable structure makes this machine lightweight and easy to operate. Suitable for 11 to 30 ounces skinny tumblers, straight mugs and tumblers. LCD temperature and time setting. Heat up quick, has more precise control and transferring. Stable lever design allows you to operate with less effort. For 11 to 30 ounces tumbler. Attachment diameter adjustment range, 2.64 to about 3.43 inches. Maximum cup height, 10.6 inches. Suitable for 16 and 20 and 30 ounces skinny tumbler, straight mugs and tumblers. LED control panel. Simply set the temperature and time you need, the machine do the rest of the work. Temperature range, 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, time range, 0 to 999 seconds. 2 mugs in 1 print. Surprisingly, it can also press 2 11-ounce or 2 15-ounce ceramic mugs at the same time, increase your efficiency. Premium design. Handle adopts a non-slip design, and the bottom of the machine is equipped with a non-slip foot pad, which is safer to use. Best gift. Different types of mugs can be sublimated, whether you are a beginner or a professional who loves DIY crafts. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.